I knew a man, Bojangles, and he danced for you in worn out shoes, silver hair, ragged shirt, and baggy pants. The old soft shoe, he jumped so high, yeah, he jumped so high, then he lightly touched down. Met him in the jail it was, in New Orleans. I was down and out. He looked to me to be the eyes of age. Then he spoke right out. He talked of life. Yeah, he talked of life. Clapped his leg and took a step. Said his name's Bojangles, and he danced a lick across the cell. He grabbed his pants, made a stance, then he jumped so high, and he clicked his heels. He let go a laugh, yeah, he let go a laugh. Shook his clothes all around. He said, I'm Mr. Bojangles, I'm Mr. Bojangles, I'm Mr. Bojangles, and I dance. Said he danced in county fairs and minstrel shows throughout the South. He spoke in tears how through the years his dog and he traveled about, but the dog up and died. Yeah, he up and died. After 20 years he still grieves. Said he danced at every chance in honky-tonks for drinks and tips, but most of the time he spends behind these county bars. He says I drinks a bit. He shook his head. Yeah, he shook his head. I heard someone say, please, 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 Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, please, Mr. Bojangles, please dance.